We missed you. Monkey. What's up? Missed you. Okay, let's go. Wait. Now the question. Did you miss me?
No. To be honest, I didn't miss you until I saw you. I didn't miss you at all.
Oh.
Until you want to get a shame, it's one of my children. You come here and have the shame, yes. But now.
I'm dying. I'm dying. So you say you didn't miss me?
No.
Not at all?
No.
Not even like a little bit?
No. I can even look at you more. I did not miss you.
Really?
I didn't.
Kiss me.
Until you were born, I can. Yeah, come on. Hey, when you were home.
So wow. So with me and you, it's like out of sight, out of mind. Type of thing, is that what she said?
No, it's not.
It's not, eh?
No, it's not.
She's lying.
She's lying. Wow, I said Moshe goes hlubi. Not to be even matching. Literally, we were matching.
We had matching.
We were matching.
Yeah,
Crazy.
we had matching friends.
We were matching. And Mara, in Kabama, man, give me the so make you so make. I didn't keep talking.
She's just been moving around lanes. So now I'm like I don't get it. If you're still the same and I'm still the same, do you think that like maybe like
so make in life. Let me tell you guys that. So make you never know. But all I'm saying is right now, not right now. Let's be well. You still have the same emotions, same yes, I know. Hey papi. But it's just that one thing. Just say that. That's not true.
yeah, what's up? Did you think that like if I was like break up with you I was gonna fall off or something?
No. I didn't think you were gonna fall off.
Nah, I'm not a lame, so
Nah.
the casual at that you know what I mean?
You.
Rolex.
Okay.
Rolex on just to like set the mood.
Guys, ngitshela ni Rolex sasiphupha ngayo nokwaso ukwaso angiphuphisa ke Rolex athi let's go and go to setting and just look at it and one day we're gonna get it. Look at him today.
Damn, wait. Hold on. Damn. So you remember all of those times?
I remember everything.
You remember all of those times I was like I was gonna get something and then I didn't have it.
Yes.
And then now that I
Kaya, from the whole training, or I'm going to get this car. This empty. I remember everything.
You remember all of those times I was like I was gonna get something and then I didn't have it.
Yes.
And then now that I
Kaya, from the whole training, or I'm going to get this car. This M2, I'm gonna get it. You got it. You said I'm gonna get this, and you got it. You said I'm gonna get these chains, and you got it. You said I'm gonna get these girls. See these girls, I want them. Yeah, you know, I have gold. Got it. Kanya, they're so ugly. He's like, I want them. You got them. Kanya, you got everything that you wanted. And God bless you for that. And I kept saying, I've been praying for you. If everyone knows in these chats, everyone knows. I don't
have you.
You already have it, yeah. I'm the one who messed up. I'm the one who fucked up. And it's the truth of God. That one, it's one of those things where you're just like, you know what, here, there's no vicinity. I fucked up. And it's okay to fuck up and acknowledge that you fucked up. So
if I was to like try to like kiss you right now, like what would you do?
Fucking Pama.
You and I would like make cute babies together.
You know, sometimes the mother and the father, they look tricky. And when the baby comes out, I've seen it with other couples, I'm like, oh, you baby older, but the baby.
Not just baby.
Can you, for my grace?